Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide, how to set GPU preference in Windows 11. So without further ado, let's get right into it. To set your GPU preference in Windows 11, follow these steps. Press Windows key +I on your keyboard, or right-click on the Start button and select Settings. Click on System in the Settings menu. Select Display from the menu. Scroll down and click on Graphics. Click Add Desktop App or Add Microsoft Store App to add an app or select one from the list. Click on the app, then click GPU Preference option. Choose between Power Saving or High Performance. This will ensure that your chosen applications use the preferred option for better performance or power saving. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.